Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Pipedrive software. So first of all, we need to understand what is Pipedrive. As you can see, we are at pipedrive.com and there are a lot of things over here and you can just search it out. You can just read it by yourself. But I'm going to tell you why we are using uh, Pipedrive. So Pipedrive is a CRM's customer relationship management platform that helps business manage their sales and marketing and customer services activities. It is designed to help teams track and organize their interactions with customer leads and opportunities in a single place. Pipedrive offers a range of features including contact management, leading tracking, or sales forecasting, task management, and reporting. It is also integrates with a variety of other business tools such as email and calendar systems, to help users manage their workflow more efficiently, right? So Pipedrive is suitable for business of all sizes, in short, and it is available on a subscription basis also. And right now you can see that we can go with the free version. If you click on free, it will allow you to get full access, as you can see, with no credit card required, and for only 14 days, I guess 14 or 28 days. So we can check that out. Like right now I will show you. So this is why we are using Pipedrive, and you can see a lot of big companies right over here. It has been trusted by like 100,000 plus companies in 179 countries. So there's a lot of things they are providing. So let's get started. And what you need to do, first of all, you need to click on try it free, and once you click on it, you can see that try Pipedrive free for 14 days. So it is allow you can just try that out for 14 days. You can just click on over here, go with the email you want, or you can just go with the Google email or LinkedIn ID also. So mostly people, like big business people, go with the LinkedIn because LinkedIn can gather a lot of leads. But right now I'm going with this one, normal one, and I'm gonna log in real quick. So as you can see, once you enter your email address and accept their terms and services, just create and you will end up over here. So you can just join a company if you want to join a company, or just create a company by yourself. So I'm just gonna create a company by myself, and in that way I can show you you know how to get started. So as you can see, I have already filled my details over here, and I have written my number over here and my password and my ID over here. So after that, click on continue. It will ask you what are you doing in that company. So I just wrote like CEO, and I haven't used any tools like this before, and I'm here to find new leads. So that's all. I'm just mentioning every single thing, right? So they will ask you like what are you doing and what you want from over here at Pipedrive. And then click on next. After that, it will ask you like what is your company name over here. After that, your how big is your company and what industry it belongs to. So I'm just going with the random one. I'm not going like very specific with the details because obviously this is a tutorial purpose, right? So I'm just going with the very minimum things, because I'm going to tell you like how you can create your account first of all. So I'm just going with the manufacturing. How many Pipedrive company in your company will use Pipedrive? So I would say like 2 or 5, that's all. Create account. So it would take some time, not that much, but it would take some time. And while it's opening up, I'm going to show you how, like, the pricing of Pipedrive. So as you can see over here, these are the pricing. So right now we are using 14 days trial, right? The first one is essential, next one is advanced, professional, and enterprise. So you can see like leads and details and calendar and pipeline management. And obviously every single plan you can just go with like 14 days trial. Every single plan you can just try it for free. So right now maybe we are trying this one, obviously, or this one, maybe, I don't know, but we can check that out later on. Right now we are just trying it out, right? You can see that the first one is like 15 euro, 25 euro, 50 euro, and 100 euro, and all of them are like having different advantages of it. So these are the pricing plan for Pipedrive. So let's go back to the dashboard of pipeline. Oh, pipeline or Pipedrive, because we in Pipedrive we say pipeline to the dashboard. So this is the pipeline, and from now on I'm going to show you all the things in this dashboard. So right now on the left side you can see we have leads on the first option. Right now we are sitting at deals, so these are the deals, and if you click on over here you can see you can just create your new pipeline. As I told you this before, we can call this pipeline right in Pipedrive, and you can just edit that, but we can talk about this later. Right now go to your leads, and here you can see your lead booster. Let me close this. Lead booster and live chat and chat box, web forms, prospectors, web visitors, and messaging. You can manage everything from over here, and you can easily create new leads from over here. And if you have any spreadsheet, you can just import it over here, and after that you can just create that to like click on any lead and convert that to deal. Once you do that, you will end up over here. You will see their name over here. Once you do that, like convert them over the deal, and you will see them over here. And if you want to edit your pipeline, just click on over here, go to edit pipeline, and you can set the like name and probability and routing in days. If you enable that, you will see that, and you can just add that days, and after that you could see you can add more stages if you want. You can just edit their name if you want, all those stuff. You can add a tab between like not tab, column between both of them. It's all on you. So right now I'm just doing canceling, right? All right, and on the top you can see that you can just view as pipeline or list or forecast. It's all on you once it's working, right? But there are two things which you should know, that you can just invite your team from over here, as you can see, or go over here and click on company settings. It will take you right over here. Here you can just sync your email. You can even sync your contact, your calendar, because everything like later on everything will come on the same place, right? You don't need to open your messaging app, every single thing. You can just link your Google Drive if you want, and you can just manage your users also if you have so many users. Right now that I am only available over here, so and active. So it's all on you what you are going to do. And let's go back to the you know to the dashboard or pipeline, right? So I'm going there, and then you can see the third option is project. Once you click on that, you can just create your projects from over here. Obviously it's a beginner tutorial. I'm not going to like dive in it, but still I'm just showing you. This is the project menu where you can just create your project. After that, your campaigns, you can create your campaigns, your email campaigns, your marketing campaigns from over here. You will find that over here. Then obviously mail, pre-made emails, and connect your email, all those stuff. These are very similar, but the main thing is dealing, leads, and campaign and projects. Those what are on the top. And after that you have your activities, what is going on, and contacts, obviously insights, like every single thing what is happening in your Pipedrive will be shown over here. And that's it. And if you have like added any products through here, you can just do that, and you can just add that from over here. Like click on this, and you can just add their name, product code, category, and after that just click on save. So this is how you know how to use Pipedrive software. And obviously this is a very simple tutorial because this is a very beginning tutorial, and the most hard part of Pipedrive is creating the account, and I've shown you how to create your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.